this is what we do at Christmas. We check out everybody's ailments. So we have an IT band, tightness, and pain on the left-hand side. We're gonna travel down. We got a kick out here. We come down, we have another kick out, and we kick out to the right. And we travel down and another little kick out. And today what we're having is, so this hip is twisted forward. This left one is twisted forward. And we'll check the shoulder blades are good. Relax, real relax, little tug. Good, little tug. And nice and relaxed. Real relaxed. Oh yeah, very nice. Nice and relaxed. Oh yeah. Okay. Nice deep breath in and blow out and really just relax. Nice deep breath in and blow out and melt to the mat. We see this left one is a good bit longer than this right, or this right one's a good bit longer than the left. Oh, there it was. Good. Yep, this side doesn't need it. Lift your hips, back down, and relax your legs. And the ankles are even. We're gonna go down the spine. Neck is perfect now. This spine is nice and straight. And the hip is no longer rotated.